Now see, let us learn cone. This is cone shape diagram. The example of cone is that cap of that groom. This is example. And the mason, those who are using one kind of thing, that is also a cone. Then you can tell heap of a rice, that is also a cone. Then you can tell tent also, cone shaped tent also can be made. Then like this, these all are the examples of cone. Then we can tell the volume of the cone. One third pi r square is, you know, pi is 22 by 7, and r means the radius, base radius. Base is a circle, cone's base, this is a circle, its radius is small r. And height I have considered this is, and here it is making a right angle triangle, you see, this is a right angle triangle. And this L is called slant height of the cone. So you can apply here Pythagoras theorem, L square equal to a square plus r square. And here volume is one third pi r square is one third. You can think in this way, that why it is one third. Actually we have taken one portion of these three portions. See, one, two, three. So one portion I have taken. So you can think in this way, that is one third. This is the technique to memorize, nothing else. There is no mathematical reason behind this. CSA, that is curved surface area, and proof of this why it is coming one third pi r square is, it is not in your syllabus. That is why I am not describing it. Curved surface area means this curved surface area, this one. One is base, another one is curved surface area. This. So formula is pi r L. L means slant height. I mentioned here this is slant height and this is also slant height. This line. One is height, another is slant height. Height is this on the middle one I told. And total surface area is equal to base area, that is pi r square, since it is a circle, and curved surface area, that is pi r L. So this is all for that cone. Now let us come to sphere. This is a sphere. This is a diagram of sphere. Sphere example like football, globe. This is the, or marble. These all are example of sphere. Its volume will be 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. So everything you know, because pi means 22 by 7, and total surface area, that is outer surface area, will be 4 pi r square. And this is hemisphere. Hemisphere means it is cut from the middle. Now hemisphere volume is equal to 2/3 pi r cube, and total surface area is 3 pi r square. Now one thing I want to remind here, that this is not hollow hemisphere. This is a something, is material is there. So that means it is full. Let's say the mud is, let's say the sphere is made by mud and it is cut from the middle. Then the materials will be there inside. That is why its total surface area coming 3 pi r square. Because spheres total surface area 4 pi r square. So half of this will be 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square actually from this to this. This is 2 pi r square. But here is one circle extra. That is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. That is 3 pi r square here it is coming. And volume actually it is half of this 4/3 pi r cube. That is 2/3 pi r cube. So that's all for this